Hi everyone, I'm Angelique, and today I would like to discuss the use of Vulvar Moisturizers, what they are, why use one, who would benefit from using one, as well as how to use one. So let's start with what a Vulvar Moisturizer is. So a Vulvar Moisturizer is a product typically in the form of a balm or a salve or a cream that is used topically over the external genitalia. So over the skin around this area of the pelvis, anywhere from sort of below the pubic bone around the clitoral area all the way to the skin around the anus. A Vulvar Moisturizer is really helpful for individuals that are experiencing dryness in this external genitalia or over the vulvar skin. So dryness and as well as associated burning, itching, irritation of that skin as a result of dryness over the vulva. So typically, who would benefit from using a Vulvar Moisturizer? We want to have a look at a few populations. So the first one is the peri and postmenopausal population. And typically these are individuals who are in their 40s or 50s and are experiencing a decline in estrogen or sex hormones. And this decline in estrogen can also be associated with increased dryness of the skin. Now, with age, there are also changes with the ability of our bodies to produce compounds such as hyaluronic acid and ceramides in the skin. Now, these compounds can usually help to maintain moisture in this area. And when we don't have the capacity or the ability to produce these compounds as well, then that can lead to more dryness concerns. Another population that may benefit from using Vulvar Moisturizers is the postpartum population, especially during chest or breastfeeding. Now, this period in the postpartum sometimes is referred to as pseudomenopause because during this time there's also a decline in sex hormones and estrogen, and as a result, of course, this can lead to dryness. Another population is that of post-cancer treatment, and it doesn't really necessarily matter whether or not that cancer is within the pelvic area or the genital area. However, treatments such as chemotherapy can create anti-estrogenic effect to the body, and as a result can also contribute to dryness. Another circumstance when someone may consider using Vulvar Moisturizers is when they are on prescription medications that increase dryness of the skin. And this is something that we may not really think about with regards to dryness, but medications such as bladder medications or medications that treat overactive bladder, medications such as antihistamines or antidepressants and anti-anxieties medication can also contribute to dryness in the vulvar area. And another condition that may benefit are those that struggle with more autoimmune vulvar dermatology conditions, more specifically conditions such as lichen sclerosis or lichen simplex chronicus. And these conditions can lead to significant dryness as well as very intense itching in the area. And sometimes using a Vulvar Moisturizer can be quite soothing on the skin. And last but not least, I think, day-to-day stresses that we may not think will contribute to dryness, as well as individuals that smoke. Both of these factors can certainly increase vulvar dryness as well. So lastly, how do we use a Vulvar Moisturizer? It's pretty simple, actually. All we want to do is we want to take that Vulvar Moisturizer and we want to be able to liberally, sort of apply it over the skin through this whole region here and around the anus. Some individuals may not have dryness in this back area here. However, certainly all around the skin, around the external genitalia, and into this bottom portion here, which is the perineum. And Vulvar Moisturizer can be used as needed or daily, depending on the circumstance for each individual. But it is certainly a great option and can include a variety of really good ingredients that can help to bring back some of that moisture and retain some of that moisture through the skin and allow you to continue to do all the things you love to do. So there are a variety of vulvar moisturizers on the market. Many may be found at a local pharmacy. My favorite is the FemmeSense Balm, which is 100% natural, made of plant and vegetable-based ingredients. It does have natural ceramides as well as hyaluronic acid to help retain that moisture within the skin. It is non-hormonal. It is vegan, free of parabens, sulfates, and preservatives. It is also gluten-free and fragrance-free. So if you'd like to learn more about this product, just check out the information in the caption and I will leave more information for you there.